Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. Cardano has really so nicely adhered to this technical analysis since we finally broke out of this triangle to the downside. We are following the waves nicely. We are coming down further. We have failed to make a new high here, and the price has come into my green target area and reversal area, and it got rejected perfectly at the 39-cent level, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of that yellow third wave here at 38.8 cents. Like magic, you got rejected at the 50% Fib level, and there you can see that TA does work because these technical levels, they do have relevance. They have important relevance. Otherwise, the price would not adhere to and react so strongly to a random number like the 50% Fib level here, the 38.8 cent level. So we defined here the ideal retracement area or reversal area for that third wave into the fourth. And so far we have been rejected. We have left the box to the downside. Yeah, a signal yesterday that I gave you where it would become much likely that we come down was, I think, this low here, that we get below 37.5. It will already get quite likely we drop down further. You can see what happened after that. We actually moved down all the way to 36.1 cents. Okay, quite good support there. Tried, however, in a quite corrective way to get back into this box, yeah, and get rejected at the moment. And we're now fighting here, yeah. This is now another decision point to see, do we get a bit higher? Do we get back into the box here? Which would sort of, make this a bit neutral. But if we get rejected here and then carry on down and break below 36.1 cents, I think that's a really good confirmation that we indeed are here in the fifth wave of the third. I mean, this can be counted quite nicely already as three waves. So we can say we have here wave one, here wave two, here three. This might be a fourth, and we come down in the fifth. Now, let's just measure that fourth wave. And I mean, again, we've come back to perfectly, the 38.2% retracement. Why is that relevant? Because in a wave 4, the most likely retracement level is the 37-cent level, in this case, the 38.2% Fib level. Now, if we get rejected from here, at the moment we see a bearish engulfing candle, but the hour isn't closed yet, right? But in 9 minutes it will. Okay, so if we see a bearish engulfing candle, would be quite a good indication we're already coming down. Then we've got the 36.1 cent level as indicator to come down further as well. And then very important is also here, if we draw the fibs like that, it's the 78.6% Fib level that is at 35.8 cents. If we lose this level, that will be also really good confirmation that we are in the fifth wave and come down further. So that's what I'd be looking at to finish then off this fifth wave of the third. Then there should be another wave 3 to the upside and the fifth wave down. That is how I see the market here at the moment. I mean, overall, this could also become a triangle, right? So we could get something much more messy here. So that wave 4 might extend out in a triangle. If you ask yourself, how is that possible? Well, you get these triangles. A contracting triangle could very well be that this was the wave A, this here the wave B, there will be a C, D, and E. So it could become a very long contracting triangle. The requisition or the requirement is that each of these waves is a corrective wave. So we already have 3 waves down here in what I could call a wave B. We might now be pushing up in D and so on. Important is that the wave C does not go higher than the wave A, and that the wave D does not go lower than the wave B, because then the triangle gets invalidated. But that's sort of, these are sort of the ways how I look at this at the moment. Should we get above the wave 4 high? So should we break above the 39 cent level? Then the higher level assumption here is probably not going to work out. I could still imagine that this might be a larger ABC pattern then, and we come down then. That's possible. But let me tell you that if we break above the 39 cent level, this does not suddenly make a bullish chart. More needs to happen for that. And we'll talk about that in upcoming videos. But this is sort of what I expect imminently, what I see here. I think the rejection of that point is quite meaningful. The decision that the market takes here will set us up for what is going to happen on the weekend, I suppose. So let's see this happening right at this moment. But an engulfing red candle, as we can see it on the hourly, will already be a good indication we are heading down further. But yeah, let's see. The resistance level is resistance as long as it holds. At the moment, we seem to be getting here quite a strong rejection. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.